my husband and I had been looking for something small that we could keep up on our patio on a regular basis, that we could keep the kids' toys in, that we could keep some easily accessible gardening items. This gorgeous shed is made out of beautiful metal construction. It came with the working gloves so that you kept yourself safe, or I should say my husband was able to keep himself safe as he put this entire thing together for me. It has 3 shelves that you can put at a level that is comfortable for you, and it was really easy for him to piece together and have finished within the afternoon. This is going to be the perfect little storage spot for, like I said, all of my kids' toys, for my garden gloves, for my seeds, anything that I need outside, anything that we could use for the grill. It is perfect. Thought that this was made out of fantastic material. We love that you can put a lock on the front of the shed as well to keep it safe in any sort of areas. And it came with this very satisfying film that you could peel off to make it look absolutely gorgeous